Good afternoon. Hello. Welcome to the CAMACHO'S Garden. So 2.5 months ago, we started planting vegetables in our bare lot here in our home. And we are here to show you our okra plantation. And okra has a scientific name, Abelmoschus esculentus. And this is also known as lady fingers in English. For those who have not yet seen an okra plant, so we have here the plant, a little bit of a rough leaf with 5 flowers of leaf, and this is just as rough. And as you can see, once it will flower, there are a lot of flowers that you can see, and then these fingers, long fingers, will be grown into big ones, and this one is now ripe for harvest. So you can just steam the fruit, and it has a rich, and it's very fibrous and has a lot of nutrients. So we're going to harvest this one. And we already harvest 2 of this, a little bit of mature okra. They should be a little bit soft. You could still fold that one like that to be more edible. And when you steam this one and you boil this one, it is very good for your roughage in your digestive system, because it has a lot of is fibrous and has a lot of nutrients that could help you fight diabetes and other diseases in your body. This could also be part of the vegetable mix for tinakbet. And you could also have this one soup partnered with malunggay over here and some alagbati. So the green leafy vegetables and this one will be very nutritious for your body. You can have this in your diet, and have a good day. Bye-bye.